Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. As you can see, I have already set the repeating of the columns and heading in place. Now you're looking at this repeating group. It doesn't looking good in Bubble Editor. So, so we have like canvas placeholder. This is crucial for ensuring your repeating group looks polished and doesn't have gaps when there is no data. Then I click on current cell index. Then you can see like canvas placeholder like serial number. If I put 1, then it will show you like 1. So I would like to have this like that, so it looks more familiar and like more polished. Then I write client name, and same for goes for email. And then after for mobile phone number, so it's looking good now. Let's move on to the next. As you can see, we have some default settings for responsive like 320, 768, 992 and 1200 pixels. Like it's for desktop and it's for tablet and like mobile landscape, and it's for mobile only. So when you are using like conditioner and you want to settle current page weight like less than or greater than, it's up to you, like using less than. So you can use like predefines, like when I put 992, so it will say like tablet, and if I use 768, so it will look mobile landscape. So you can also create your own, like I want to create a new and add custom, so I want to use 568, 768, and if you put 568, so it will show up like here 568 breakpoint of the page. So it's pretty useful when you are using responsive and bubble.io. Now let's move on to the next part. As you can see, this repeating group, if I make this repeating group like not visible on the page load and put a workflow around like toggle an element of that particular group, if I click on this, it will show up like this, but it's not looking good. It does not have any animations. So I go back to my mobile editor. I click on this group. So I click on layout, then I put on animate the collage operations. I click on it. So you have 2 or 3 animations. So I will choose fade in and fade out. If you click on it, you can see the difference. It's loading pretty much in a good way, like this. And let's move on to the next part. I just hide this group for timing. Now click on this group and unhide this group. We on page load, and I have another group up here, add product and add product. I remove it for timing. So I have 2 buttons, same for add product and add product. So now we are using custom events. If you find yourself needing to use the same create workflow or create product workflow multiple times, and custom events are really good solution for that. Now I'm clicking on workflow. Now click here to add an event. Then click on custom, create a custom event. So you can name your event like add product. You have to define some parameters like name, type of the field, text, and you can list of things or optional. It's up to you. Now click on add new one, uh, product image type. Then click on add. So click on add new parameters like product description, type text. Click on add. After that, click here to add an action, create a meeting. Then select the database products. Select under field name, then product description, then image, and product name to product name, product description, and image. Our custom event is all set. Now we are going to use this custom event in 2 places. Now click on add workflow, trigger custom event, select add product. It's take by default because we have only one custom event for now, so it's taking by default. Now clicking on name, would say product one. For the image, I'm using a different database. 4 images. So I'm choosing first item, compressed image, product description, and put test. So one is done. And then the next one, I'm putting some different data on the same workflow. Like trigger custom event, select add product and like name for product 2. And I'm taking name as product 2. Product and image for search for images. Even here I'm taking last item of compressed images. And product description is product 2. So I'm going here and refreshing this page. So the buttons are not visible currently. So I have to visible them on the page load as well. So I'm replacing this one with image. So I insert the previous, then previous, and click on refresh. Currently there is no data, so I'm clicking on add product. This one, so you can see that product 1 and product image and test description is coming. Now clicking on this button, you can see the product 2 and different product images coming up. It's a basic use of custom events, but they can be more applied in more complex ways, like I'm using like start and AM, PM. I'm scheduling some workflows around it. So it's up to you and as per your requirements. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe also. And if you have any questions or additional tips to share, drop them in the comment box below. See you next time. Bye, guys.